All righty, folks, we're going to talk to the one and only Adrian Hernandez about Orange County, California. Why is this important? The entire month of August, we have been above 7% mortgage rates. And I don't know about you, but I got to imagine a market where there is a seven-figure price tag on median home sales. It has to have an impact. But Orange County is full of very rich people, so maybe I'm wrong. Adrian, what do you got?
What's going on, everyone? Good morning, Zuber. So it's interesting, when we've been looking at Orange County market over the last couple of months, and active inventory just in Orange County alone, we have 2,300 houses on the market, right? 2,388 on the market. Now, if we look at closed over the last, let's take a look at the last 30 days. We have 1,875 that have closed compared to 2,300. So overall market, not bad. But when we dive into specific areas, that's where we're seeing an issue. Like, let's take example for Laguna Beach for an example, right? Let's just take a look at Laguna. And, I want to say something, Zuber, you've always talked about the high end really, really getting hit, right? There are certain parts of the high end in Orange County that are definitely getting hit super hard. Now, you have highly desirable areas that are, once something comes up, it's gone. It's in a specific area. It's a specific product. It showcases a different landscape. But for the most part, when you look at the high end as a whole, pretty spot on.
Almost like I know what I'm doing.
Pretty spot on. So let's just go to Laguna Beach for an example, right? Laguna Beach right now, active inventory is 133 houses.
Okay.
Just in Laguna Beach. Laguna Beach isn't that expensive.
Yeah, it's pretty small. Yeah, okay.
Right. But what's interesting is we come in here and take a look at days on market. We have the highest days on market of 889 days with it's trending. We have 889, 442, 578. There is over, out of the 133, there is over 75 houses that is over 100 days on market.
Yeah, this is what's coming. This is what I've been talking about. Well, first off, let me step back. So when we talk about Orange County being $1 million median home price, I don't know Laguna Beach. Is Laguna Beach cheaper or more expensive than
Laguna Beach?
Overall?
You have an average price per square foot of about $800.
So it's expensive.
Very expensive.
So so their median price is probably like 1.6, maybe even 2.5.
2.5, yeah, 2.5.
Okay. Holy cow! This is exactly what I'm talking about. So if you go into a very luxury market and you take out the couple of unicorns, right? The seven properties on, I don't know, beachfront or whatever it is. This stuff's slowing down, man. Luxury property like this is optional. People have the money, but it's an option. People have the money. They probably have another home.
Yep.
And they're like, you know what? We're good.
Yep.
We'll stay here. But let's close this off on a silver lining. If you happen to be someone like Patrick Bet David or some of the followers on my channel, and you are lucky enough to be in a position in life where you're shopping for luxury, get off your ass and write a disrespectful offer. I'm just going to throw numbers out here. Let's assume there were properties in Laguna Beach. Oh, I would take, again, if I was shopping there, I'm not.
Right.
I would get every property over 100 days. And assuming they're meet my criteria that I'd be looking for, I would write offers, Adrian, no lie, $1 million under list price. Everyone, at least $1 million. That's what I'd be doing today.
Most definitely, especially with the ones that are over $1 million, that, and this is even more important when you dive into them, the ones that have issues. Most of these houses have issues. Most of these houses aren't fully ready to go. Most of them need work. So couldn't agree with you more. The highest sales price in Laguna Beach right now is $46 million. You have here. Let me just let me dive in.
46 million. That's special. That's special air right there.
33 houses above 10 million.
Of the 170 or whatever it was.
Of the one.
That's 20%.
Well, of the 133.
Oh, 133. Still about 20%. Wow.
Crazy.
Wow.
That's crazy. So and then you're seeing it trickle down to Capel Beach. If you look at Capel Beach, it's the community right behind. So you have Laguna Beach, Monarch Beach. Monarch Beach is still on fire. Again, unique unicorn, unique house. right on the cliff of Monarch Beach, overlooking the water, 56 million, sold in 2 days, right? Sold in 2 days. Unique property, like when I talk about
Dialed.
next level house, right? Then you go down a little bit more. You have Dana Point still on fire just because of the regentrification that's going on in Dana Point right now. They're completely redoing the harbor. You go a little bit lower to Capitol Beach Road, which is right on the water. You have days on market over 800 days. It's absolutely insane. So, the high end, most definitely, I would go in. I would go $1 million, $1.5 million, especially on these houses
every
that have
time
been over 200 days.
Oh, yeah. Again, folks, this applies to everyone's buy box as far as I'm concerned. Now, most of you won't be in a price point where you're getting $1 million discounts, but use the percentages. Days on market. I have to implore you folks to do the freaking work.
Yep.
If a seller has their house on the market today at 7.5 or 8.5% interest rates for investors, they're freaking motivated. Right. And if it's been on the market for 100 days, they're not getting the activity they used to. They probably haven't got an offer in a while. Right. Know your numbers. Write the offer that makes sense at cost of capital at 9%. You never know. And then, Adrian, you know this. The key to all of this is take your shot, get told no or hell no, and then follow up.
Yep.
The money is in the follow-up. I never write a disrespectful offer. Never expecting to get it accepted. I want to plant the flag and follow up around that and then pull the seller to my number.
So good. We do a lot of MLS deals, and that's exactly the follow-up game is where we're getting the deal. It's the first offer. They're yelling at us. Why would you do that? Blah, blah, blah,
Perfect.
Blah, blah. Hey, no worries. We'll talk soon. And then sure enough, they call Ryan 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later. Hey,
that offer's still good.
Close? Yeah.
The money's in the follow-up game, folks. This, again, how to get started one rental at a time, the do the work mantra is about to pay off huge. The last 3 years, financial engineers won. They gambled and they got lucky. The financial engineers that are still playing that game are about to go bankrupt or go to jail.
Yep.
The good operators are going to win the next 3 to 4 years. So I am super excited.
Beyond excited. And it's funny what you say about the follow-up. It's the same thing across the board. If you're cold calling, the money is found in the follow-up. If you're writing offers, the money's found in the follow-up. If you're looking for sub 2, whatever the case may be. So, what's interesting right now, there are so many of us, and I know we're talking about the market, but this is important, guys. This is important to getting deals is while you know this, right? And while most people are out looking for new lists or new people to call, follow up with everybody that you've once spoke with. Go back through your database. Even like I remember as an agent, I had a whole stack of like open house flyers, right? And they were like a year old. And I would call through them and get a lead, 2 leads, 3 leads a deal every time I followed up, right? So no matter, I don't care where your databases is, find it and call the people, guys. Call what you have. You're standing in your own acres of diamonds.
Do the work. Adrian, where can people find you?
Instagram, guys, at Adrian Hernandez. Let's go.